see the red lights.
Woo! My heart is pounding. Oh my goodness, come on. Show it to me. Oh my God.
What do you think, Bubba?
Oh man, that is absolutely incredible. I never envisioned it to be this great. I mean, this is just, wow.
All new radiator, all new charge air cooler.
Nice, wow. Man, I don't even, wow. It's just perfect. I mean, it is just, the quality here is just, I cannot put it in. I've been doing this, I've been around trucks all my life, but I've never had anything under the hood. The quality of this is just, yeah, I'm speechless. I'm just blown away. I can't wait to get in it and put her in the wind. That's what I'm excited about too. You know, listening to her purr, because she will.
So you come in, I know you had the tuner in there, had your exhaust manifold on too, so we upgraded to the PDI Big Boss turbo,
nice.
Stainless steel housing on there.
Nice.
You had your oil fill tube and cap on there, so should run good and look good now.
That's, again, I just can't thank you enough, man. I am
absolutely
stoked, man. It is just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show this to my family. I cannot wait to get this back and show my wife and kids. This is what we've, this has been a dream of mine all my life. And you took something that was not, it wasn't worthy at all, and made it something that's actually just completely mind-blowing. And I mean, that's what we're looking at here, and that's incredible. I wouldn't even raise the hood. It was the worst part of the whole truck, and I was embarrassed to show it. I mean, I was embarrassed to pull it up at home, so much less anywhere else, and now I can't get it up. I won't be able to get the hood up fast enough. Nothing could compete to this quality of work here, man. This is incredible.
You know, on the playing field this truck is, Bubba, that's the thing. You can't have that whole showpiece with basic stock motor under the hood. You got to go next level, right?
Well, I can't thank you guys enough, man. You did a great job. It's your pleasure, man. I appreciate you so much.
Thank you again.
Yeah, pleasure,
sure appreciate it.